Yeah, guys, you're welcome back. Um, we've previously we've done a lot on the point grouping and also the button features, as in um, drawing some of the features we have on the drawing to make the drawing clearer and more understandable. So now move ahead. We need to go to alignments. We need to start doing our alignment. As I said earlier, we have what we call the horizontal alignments, which are some of the things. This are which is one of the features, that's one of the components of your drawing. Horizontal alignments or plan. What we are saying is when you look at your building, when you look at your road while in the sky or while in the air, the way you see your road to be is what we call the plan or the horizontal alignment. So now, first of all, let's bring back this tool space. So for us to do, as I said earlier, when you are designing your road, road design deals with center line of the road. So let's for it to be easier for us to have our center line, let's go back to our point groups. Click on this. Whenever you have plus, it means there are other details in that data. So in that group or in that label, so click on this. So you have your culvert, you have your upper. So first thing what I'm going to do is I want only the center line to appear. That is just the what I have to appear. So you can see properties. You make this one none and make this one none. You can also do it from here. I go to overwrite and do it. So it has changed because we changed the other place, it has changed here also. And the reason why it has changed because we checked this style and point to the best style. If you didn't check it, it may not change to none. So click OK. So you can see that points have gone. So we don't have any point. The only points we have here should be converts. Let's see. You can see them. These are the only points that will appear. So okay, yeah, we didn't even join this one. All the example numbers we are we look down for now. So if we bring these point groups, one I told we want to work on only the center line. So let's go to properties. Then let's bring down what I go to properties, I click on point group, then I left click on point group, then right click on it, then go to properties. So let's bring down our converts, bring down converts here, then take our center line up above all points. The convert has been brought below all points, so click OK. So you can see our center lines are showing. Now our satellites are showing. Okay, I know I can see why this convert is still showing. It's because it's not spelled. You can see CLVT, and I think we use CVLT. So for us to take this convert also away, let's go back to converts and click on it. What how you do here? First of all, right click, left click on the feature or what you want to work on, then right click. Right click to bring out other features. So let's come here and see what we have here. CLVT. It's still the same. I don't know why it's not picking it. It's the same CLVT. Okay. CLVT. Or probably one of them went or CLVT. Someone to this. So let's look at it again. That let's remove this and see. Okay. CLVT. Well, let's leave that for now. Let's look at let's move ahead. I want to change this back. I want to add CLVT. So Okay. Probably I visit compound celebration. Alright. Visit. Okay, let's see. There should be a reason for that, because you don't have to start investigating that, because it's going to take us a long time to shut it. It will take us a long time to shut that. But yes, definitely we are on the track. So like this doesn't have it. So now let's talk about, so now we have our satellite showing. So first thing, so now this is center of the road. So we will definitely pick center of the road for you. It's now left for you to align, to join the center of the road together to come up with a vertical alignment, or horizontal alignment rather. So what you do, so we need to come up with our center line. So the first, so how we will be able to, now we've been able to separate other data, our center line from other data. So it makes the work neater, it makes the screen cleaner and neater to work on. So how do you go back? How do you now work on your alignment? Click, you want to go to alignment, click on it. So there are different ways of creating alignments. We can use alignment creation tools, or we use create alignment from objects. Using alignment creation tools, you you click on this. By the time you come here, click on alignment creation tools. So you have your details. This comes up. The create alignment layout comes up. So here, give your alignments. Give your alignments name. You can say boom, center line. Yeah. So you have all labels we have to show here. So type center line. Just type center line. Type center line. Don't need to bother yourself on writing those. So we have alignment layer. The reason you can see Ubuntu CL center line center root C root. The reason this Ubuntu is coming behind it is because we Ubuntu CL is because we put in the settings. Remember when we do the settings, we put asterisks. So asterisks, with that asterisk, it will transfer the name of the center line to any of the layers within the alignment. So we have all labels for labels, but let's just maintain it like this. Let's say okay. So from here now, we can start working on our alignment. We're going to stop here for this video. Then in the next video, we'll continue. Thank you.